Shut that thing out down there, man. Bam, bam. Get out of there, man. Get out of that van.
Hey, Bam, get out of that van.
Hey, Bam, come up here, man. Get out that shit, man. Hey, Bam, that shit ain't for us, cuz. Get out that shit. You ain't gotta be no bitch to walk away. Get out that bullshit, Joe. That ain't you, baby. Fuck that. That ain't us, baby.
Look like we going home early in this motherfucker.
Hey, you ain't gotta be a bitch to walk away. Get your man. Get your man, Bam, and go on in the back. That's what we gonna do one time. Handle your business outside. Cause y'all fucking up a whole lot of people $12. Hey, killer, don't go like that, killer. Killer, don't go there, killer. Killer, don't do that.
Slow your ass up, killer.
I'm just trying. Hey, look, I'm telling you some good shit. If they end it, y'all gonna say we fucked up.
Come get your little brother, Angie.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying, but handle that outside, baby.
Hey, Pam, your brother rough as shit.
Handle that outside, killer.
With a big ass
hey,
bush.
Killer, why you playing that rough road? Killer, just chill out, man.
He got a pick in his bush.
Y'all chill out, man. All that shit can get handled outside, man.
Chill that shit out, killer.
Hey, well, look here. To all the honeys that's listening, all the honeys in here, if they fuck y'all $12 up, it ain't our fault. If they start that record shit, it's not nobody up here fault.
Hey, Rita, come get your nephew. Come get your nephew, Rita.
I'm telling them, if y'all want to go ahead and wreck, y'all go ahead and wreck. Don't say Northeast bullshit or Northeast fucked up. When they get lumped up in the middle, it's not our fault. I'm just letting y'all know.
Hey, yo.
Either way we go. Smoking about 4-3. What's up, friend? Well, now, how good I move this crowd. Hold up, wait. Hold up, wait.
Hey, hold.
Not on the stage, cuz. Not on the stage, cuz. Not on the stage,
Not on the
cuz.
stage, man. Hey,
Get off the equipment, man.
Ho. Go ahead.
Oh, cuz.
Back up, Julio.
Back up, man. Don't stay. All that hit. Hold up, cuz. All that hit. Just get it. Just get one by one, man. Y'all chill out, man. Y'all chill out, man. Everything gonna be cool. Everything gonna be alright. Oh no. Everything gonna be cool. Everything gonna be cool, man.
I think we gonna go ahead and take a break, man. Let y'all niggas calm down. Fuck all this shit. We gonna go ahead and take a break. Let y'all motherfuckers calm down. Let y'all niggas break up a little bit. Fuck that. We taking a break right here. Let y'all motherfuckers calm down. Cause y'all niggas is lunching. It's too fucking hot in here, man. Y'all go ahead and calm down, man. Rio, crank some music up, Rio. Crank some.
Take it around, Jeff. Let me get the cut with that. Take it around, Jeff. Still down to that strap of woods, mob here, y'all. Them dynamite brothers in the middle of the floor, cuz. Also, we gonna rock and roll for my main man, Truck. We ain't got about Truck, you know we did, cuz. Also, we can, man. You gonna do this thing. You gonna do this thing back there, Reed?
Yeah.
Not yet, Dodge View, not yet. We gonna let hood rap since we like EF button. You like EF button, man. You like EF button. What you say is real loud and clear. You like EF button down this camp.
I can't hear shit.
Yeah. Still out to that 46 smoking guns crew. Right down, smack in the back. Yes, indeed. Also, we gonna send with my main man, Kurt's friends. Also, I think we had the Riverdale Broads. We gonna send out to the Riverdale Cruisers. They came through. Yes, they did.
Yeah.
Call you back.